Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Continues to be in this painful sideways range here between, I would say, and I take those lines out, they're not relevant anymore really. I think we are in some kind of a channel here, sort of at the moment between 87 cents and 95 cents. Not too much is happening here. I mentioned to you yesterday, could be we are already in the C wave. At the moment it doesn't really look like it anymore. That would have been the case had we moved up in 5 waves. I think, and I can't remember that anymore, I think I told you it was only 3 waves up, or at least looked like it. And if we only get 3 waves up, it's clearly still part of a corrective wave structure here, probably this blue wave B still. So I take the subwaves out because that didn't materialize to the upside. My view is still that we are going to go lower with MATIC. That's at least at the moment my assumption. That's my primary expectation. There is this short-term upside potential, but to do that, the market really needs to rally above 95 cents. At the moment, we still have a lot of overlaps here, a very corrective price structure. Basically, consolidation after this move to the upside that occurred from 76 cents all the way up to 95, so it cools down a bit. Typical bear market fashion here. But yeah, my overall view also for everybody who's new on this channel is that MATIC put a wave 1 in here. That was an impulse that was back in August. We then moved down most likely in a wave A, moved up in an overshooting wave B, totally ugly structure. And I think we're now coming down in a C wave, ABC of wave 2. Now that was most likely put into this yellow support box between 47 and 69 cents, but it would most likely end in the lower half. Depends a little bit on how high we go here, but yeah, this currently looks like a corrective pullback here, most likely in a B wave. Other interpretations are of course possible here, but I mean this could be a B wave or a wave 2 pullback at the moment. That's possible as well. This could also already be in, and because this is a 3-wave move in itself, and we could be moving down sort of straight away. Problem I have with that assuming this top is already in, the problem I have with that is that we haven't really seen any impulsive move to the downside. I mean, if we had already started here, either the wave 3 or wave C within wave 3, then we should see some more impulsiveness to the downside. Now we don't see that, and because we see movement up and down, very choppy, corrective structures, my assumption is that we have a good chance to rally a little bit higher in a B wave. And the assumption is as well that because we didn't really rally much in this B wave, didn't even touch the 50% retracement. So yeah, I mean, you could say we ideally go a little bit higher, maybe to the 61.8 or even the 78.6% retracement. But we won't really have a signal until we get 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and at least above 95 cents. And is it really worth trading? Because I see this mainly getting into the $1, $1.05 region. Yeah. Any higher than that would of course need me to change the wave count. I would then look at something more bullish. But from what I can see now, the trend is still further down. Quite a lot of weakness in the chart at the moment. Yeah, it's still sliding down. It's hovering though above this blue support level that I identified, I think it was early December, made you aware. You can see how relevant that has been. So we've touched it now 3 times, but we failed to get away from it really. And we did get away from it, but not substantially. The idea is obviously if you break through this, then we have one more chance at 80 cents to find support, which is basically this swing low here. But if we lose that, then we are most likely going to get down into this yellow support area. So no real change to previous videos here. Still weakness, still no substantial breakout, just corrective sideways movement, and frustrating movement really, yeah. And we need a clear signal here, either a breakout above 95, could take us into the region between $1, $1.05 in this C wave, and a move down can take us here first to 83 or 83.5, then 80, and if we drop even below 80, then we're probably coming down to 69 and head further down here into this yellow support area. All of that would still be part of a larger bullish case, because we would put in a low here in wave 2 and would then rally in a 3rd wave. And however, if we drop below 47 cents, then the entire chart will turn bearish and we will have to expect one more low below the June low. Okay, and that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.